Hi everyone, welcome to Math Trick. Today we will solve this interesting equation. Square root of x plus square root of x minus 9 equals to 9. Now, to solve this equation we will use two different methods. First method, we will use the square of a plus b square equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times a times b. Now, that means that we will square the left hand side and we will square the right hand side. That means square of square of 9. Okay, now we apply this formula here. So the first term, the square of the first term is x. The square of the second term is x minus 9. And now we will do twice the first term times the second terms. Is equal to 81. And again, x plus x is 2x minus 9 plus, we multiply those to square root, so that means 2 square root of x squared minus 9 times x is equal to 81. And again, we'll take 2x and negative 9 to the second, to the left and to the right hand side. So I'll write this. 81 plus 9 means 90, is equal to 90, and then minus 2x. Now we divide by 2, left hand side and right hand side, divided by 2, and this, I knew that, and this, divided by 2. That means x squared minus 9x is equal to 45 minus x. And again, I will apply this. I will square the left hand side and I will square the right hand side. In this case, the right hand side, we have the second terms is minus x. So we have to change this formula. And when it's negative, the second term, it's negative as well. This 2 times a times b. So in our case, the square of this, we will do the square of this and the square of this. The square of this is x squared minus 9 times x equals, now square of the first term is 45 squared plus square of the second term is x squared, and then minus twice 45 times x. Now we can simplify x squared and x squared, and I will take 45 times 2 is 90. 90 to the left hand side becomes positive 90, and positive 90 minus 9x is 81x is equal to 45 squared. Now, I will leave 45 squared like that because when I divide left hand side and the right hand side, so x is equal to 45 to the power of 2. 45 is 9 times 5 to the power of 2. That means 9 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 2. Divided 81. 81 is 9 to the power of 2. So we can simplify 9 to the power of 2 and 9 to the power of 2. And then the solution is x is equal to 5 to the power of 2. That means 25. Now, this is the solution. X is equal to 25 is the solution. In fact, okay, if I put 25 instead of x, I will get 25 plus square root of 25 minus 9. That's equal. Square root of 25 is 5 plus square root of 25 minus 9 is 16. And sorry, it's 16, and then again 5 plus 4, that's equal to 9, and that's the solution. Now, this is the first method. You just need to square the left hand side and the right hand side twice, and then you will get this solution. So the second method is the following. I will write back the equation. Square root of x plus square root of x minus 9 equals to 9. Now, first of all, we can suppose that x is a perfect square. X, perfect square, perfect square. And now, we look at the second terms, and we see that x minus 9 must be greater than 0, otherwise you cannot do the square root. That means that x must be greater than 9. Now, I will list now all the perfect square greater than 9. So, perfect square greater than 9 are 9, okay, we have 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and 81. Okay, I will stop here because the square root of x, in this case, square root of x is 9. 9 plus the second term must be 0. To be the correct answer. So right here, x minus 9. In our case, if x is 81, 81 minus 9 is 72, and the square root of 72 is not 0. So I will stop here. So I must check only those values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We must check only 5 values. Okay? And we will see if x is 16, square root of 16 plus 16 minus 9. And we see that 16 is 4 plus 16 minus 9 is 7, square root of 7, and this is not 9. In the second case, we have square root of 25 plus 25 minus 9, and in this case is 5 plus 25 minus 9 is square root of 16, and that is 5 plus 4, that's 9. So this is the solution. So in the second method, basically in the second method, we'll try to find the solution between only 5 numbers, and that's easier than doing the square root of the left hand side, the right hand side twice. So that's faster than the first method. I know it's a bit tricky, but it works. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just subscribe to the channel. Thank you, bye!